Hi friends, I am often asked how I manage to achieve such a light and shadow effect in my photographs. A lot of people think that this is a specific treatment, but it is not. When shooting, I pay a lot of attention while working with light. Actually, the light gives us the opportunity to improve and make the shot more interesting. There is such an important factor when working with light, is the direction of light. Few have heard of it, and few have used it, and few have spoken of it. However, the direction of light is, in my opinion, the most important factor when working with light. Whether it's soft light or it's hard light, it doesn't make a difference. The direction of the light has its own rules that must be followed. So I have prepared for you a cool lesson where I will show you how I work with light, what accessories I use, what the light focus is, and how to improve photos with the right light direction.